How to play YouTube videos in background on Android. Welcome to How to Mastery. If you want to play YouTube videos in the background on Android, the easiest and official way is with YouTube Premium. With a premium subscription, your videos keep playing even if you lock your phone or switch to another app. Just open the YouTube app, play your video, and then press the home button or turn off your screen. The audio will continue without interruption. Now, how do you get YouTube Premium? It's simple. Open the YouTube app, tap on your profile picture at the top right, and select Get YouTube Premium. Choose a plan that works for you, add your payment details, and confirm your subscription. You'll usually get a free trial if you're signing up for the first time. Once Premium is activated, you can enjoy background play, ad-free videos, and even download videos to watch offline. That's it. Now you know how to get YouTube Premium and how to play YouTube videos in the background on Android. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy step-by-step tutorials.